today we're showing you what it's like in our life. It's not all glitz and glamour. We're off to do various chores and bringing you with us. I'm a little bit addicted to coffee first thing in the morning, so Chris is patiently taking me to the coffee shops around the island, and this is one of the very first ones we tried, so it's nice to come back here occasionally.
Yeah.
Oh, the same.
Same. Choice of those in it. Day in our life. Just arriving at the hardware shop after a coffee. 8:30. Need to go. Well, there's loads of life around here at this time in the morning, isn't it? Everyone trying to get done what they need to do before the sun starts beating down. This is a pretty cool shop, this. Got loads of timber structures, currency, screening. Screening over is nice. Can create some nice shady areas out of these. You like the bamboo?
I do like it, yeah.
You got any prices?
It looks so nice because it's natural.
And so how much it is?
There's all different prices. This one, I think, because it's thicker. And then these ones have got different prices on them again.
Okay.
Is that going to be like your features? Chlorine.
It smells chlorine. It's going to be around the same. I can smell something chlorine. What's this for? Mosquito net?
Yeah, when we come to replace it.
Yes.
The white one too.
Yeah, very bright.
Yeah.
This place. We're wandering around. Say hello.
Hi.
Calamera.
Calamera.
It's got everything. It's massive. This is the first hardware shop that we've been in where you don't have to get a guided tour, which is, well, the guided tour is cool if you're in a rush, I guess, but if you just want to have a look about and see what's available, it's nice to just be able to have a walk. So, it feels like we're in an area we shouldn't be in, doesn't it? It's literally got everything, man. Everything. Right, we found a new area. Joe has found a hammock.
Joe has found loads of aesthetic things.
That's always right up our street. Bamboo. That. We've got these huge ones here. That is over there. I reckon the Greek people spend more on outdoor living than they do on indoor living because look at that, that's just like sofa that you would expect to see in a living room. Bit of a weird lunchtime mission, this one. This is how we have to get rid of our rubbish currently. In here on a moped. And we're going to go and feed some stray chickens that Joe's found. Some scraps. What are you doing with your tray of scraps, babe?
I found some chickens that were basically pecking through rubbish looking for food. I don't suppose eating plastic bags is that good for them, so I've been saving any cucumber ends, watermelon ends, bits and bobs to go and give them a bit of a feast.
Let's go. Found them. Hey. That's it. Throw a bit of watermelon over there so they can see you bringing food. This is the unglamorous part of owning a villa in Greece that doesn't have a regular bin collections.
Therefore, bins are busy.
Busy bins.
And outside the bins is busy.
Bye, rubbish. You're on film. What are you doing?
I'm trying to recycle the plastic bottles, but it keeps spitting them back out at me again.
So rubbish is a bit of a problem on the island sometimes, and there's these recycling banks at various supermarkets and places, so what's it doing? Crushing them as it goes in?
No, it's not taking them.
Is it making a noise though? Day in the life of living around here. We're in Lidl. Put that in there, right?
Yeah.
Get rid of people's old bread first of all.
Maybe. Thank you.
Right, that goes in there.
Yeah.
Then what?
Shut the lid.
Yeah. Then what?
Pick your slice size.
Medium?
That's what we had last time, yeah.
That's it. They do his thing.
No?
Okay. Greek salad products.
Lovely fresh green peppers. You have the onion?
What's good about Lidl is they have pretty decent selection, but all of the stuff that you can get here is all stuff that's in season, so it tastes really good, doesn't it?
Yes,
Hasn't been
super fresh.
flown from miles and miles away.
Cucumbers?
Maybe cucumbers?
Those tomatoes are nice, I've had them before.
They're very good. Obviously good because you see restaurant owners coming in here just buying
Boxes and boxes of it,
tomatoes,
yeah.
don't they?
That one's very rice, maybe too ripe.
Yeah, I'll give it up. Little done. And there's our carriage. This is what we ended up. Healthy and delicious. Now we're off to Icon Gym in Zakynthos town. Really cool gym, plenty of equipment to use, air conditioned, and only €10 a day. Worth checking out if you're in town. Yes. Thank you. A big part of the experience of living in Zakynthos for me is the ability to get around on two wheels. I just love the freedom of being on a scooter. Just giving the bike a quick wipe down because we're going home today. Just want to give a quick shout to Dionysus and Natasha at Golden Mile Rentals. They're the loveliest people. If you're on the island and you want a bike, you need to get in touch with these guys. They'll deliver it to you. You can drop it off to them at a location that suits you. They do everything possible to make the trip as simple and as stress-free as they can. They're really nice people. I'm going to put all of their details in the description. But yeah, check them out. They're really, really great people. Support them if you can.
Thanks for being with us and watching this week. We're really excited. Over the next couple of weeks, we're going to be bringing a really big project that we've been working on in the garden. See you next time.